Hey everyone, this is Walter from Tilta, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the knob on the right side and left side handle of your Nucleus-M system. So let's say you run into the situation where you're turning your knob and the lens seems to jump from one end of the focal range to the other end of the focal range. So you're turning the knob, it seems to jump back and forth. If you look at your indicator on the Nucleus-M handle right there on the front, you can see that it, as we reach 000, it just seems to jump back to 999. And if you move back and forth between it and it keeps jumping, this might mean that you need to calibrate the knob on your Nucleus-M handle. So let's go into the menu system and figure out how that works. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the range switch down, and we're going to go into the menu system by double clicking the menu button. From here we're going to look for the information tab. We're going to double click menu to go in. Here we have the information tab. Here you're going to hold down the down button and press menu. That gives us the calibration menu. So first thing we're going to do is double click down to proceed. Here it's going to ask you to calibrate to your minimum, so you're going to turn the knob clockwise towards you until it reaches its endpoint. And now you're going to double click to proceed. And next you're going to find the maximum range by turning the knob counterclockwise away from you. And you're going to double click to proceed. Now it's going to ask you for the A range. Here you're going to first turn the knob clockwise towards you, and then you're going to put the range switch up. Now from here you're going to turn it counterclockwise away from you until it reaches its endpoint and double click to proceed. Now it's going to ask you for the B range. We're going to go to the range switch, go down. You're going to turn the knob counterclockwise away from you until you hit the endpoint. Put the range switch up to set your B. And now you're going to turn the knob clockwise towards you until you hit the endpoint. And you're going to double click down to proceed. Now it's asking you to flip this switch for the range down, and only the switch down. Double click to proceed. Now you're going to put the range switch up, and you're going to double click to proceed. Okay, now we're going to double click to save. And that's it. You should have your knob calibrated. We're going to go from either end of the knob, making sure our endpoints are accurate. You can also look at the display here, and as you're moving between your two endpoints, you're going to make sure that it reaches 999 on one end and 000 on the other end. Let's recreate the problem on the left side handle, and let's go through the steps to calibrate the knob. Okay, so now we have the same situation happening on our left side handle. So let's go into the menu system to calibrate. So again, go into menu by double clicking, look for the information tab, and double click to go in. Here on this page, you're going to hold the down button, press menu, that gives us the calibration menu, and now we're going to double click to proceed into our calibration. So before we do anything, let's just make sure that range switch is set to the down position, and let's calibrate our minimum. So let's turn it clockwise away from us. Double click to proceed. Going to calibrate the maximum range. We're going to turn it counterclockwise towards us. Once you reach that end, double click to proceed. We're going to go to the A range, so let's first turn the knob clockwise away from us to set our end. Flip this range switch up to set our A position, and now we're going to turn it counterclockwise towards us and double click to proceed. We're going to set the B range, so first thing we're going to do is flip the range switch down, turn the knob towards us, and then flip the range switch up to set our B position. Now we're going to turn the knob clockwise away from us and double click to proceed. You're going to set the range key down and just the range key. Double click to proceed. Range key up, so let's flip that up. And double click to proceed, and you're going to double click to save. And here you can see that one endpoint is 000, the other endpoint reaches 999. And that's it. That's how to calibrate the left side and right side handle on the Nucleus-M system. This has been Walter from Tilta, and thanks for watching.